Welcome to Sugar and Spice. Tag, you're it. What's in your fridge? Well, I'm going to show you what's in my fridge. Are you ready to see my fridge? Ta-da! Alright, we got eggs here, we have tarama salata, we have feta cheese, bread, bunch of crap in the back there, some leftovers, and my bird stuff. I don't know what is this. Oh, karceri. Oh, it's a Greek cheese. Like feta, I guess. Here we got Greek sausages, some tomatoes, some stuff in the back there, asparagus and all that. Onion, lettuce, prasa, leftovers, a bunch of stuff in the back as well. We got snack thingies, like puddings and all that, fruits, cake, and more vanilla puddings, some yummy soup, cauliflower, a bunch of things here, I don't know, leftovers, apples, oranges, sweet potato for the birds, what else? Milk, grapes, pepper, a bunch of stuff here, drinks, and all that. Baking stuff for sure. Alright. Now my freezer. Ta-da! Some yummy pops, hot dogs, pizza pockets, buns, vegetarian stuff. This is egg rolls. I think there's some more vegetarian stuff. Chicken pot pie, phyllo, some vegetables, frozen vegetables, some chicken fingers, some lentil beans, patties, a bunch of stuff here. So yeah, that is my fridge. There's actually more downstairs. We have another fridge. Hope you enjoy. Are you ready to see my fridge? I can't even. Oh. I almost fell. Okay.